Big Brother 27 has been a season filled with unexpected twists, explosive betrayals, and the kind of shifting alliances that keep both house guests and fans constantly guessing. But one of the most surprising storylines this season has been the way Eva Pearl managed to quietly but effectively elevate her game, not just through her own social and strategic instincts but also by focusing her attention on one unlikely key factor: Vince. For weeks, viewers debated whether Eva's decision to prioritize Vince was a risky move or a genius stroke of strategy, and now Eva herself has finally opened up about how putting Vince at the center of her plans actually helped her survive in a house where few people felt safe for long. When Eva entered the house, she wasn't immediately pegged as one of the dominant forces. She had the charisma to get along with almost everyone, but early episodes painted her as someone searching for the right lane in a cast full of larger-than-life personalities. Vince, on the other hand, was often dismissed as a background player, someone who seemed too quiet to truly shift the power dynamics. But Eva quickly saw potential. During a late-night strategy conversation that aired on the live feeds, Eva remarked that Vince had this calm way of listening to people that made them open up. It was in those subtle moments, Eva revealed, that she recognized Vince could be more than an ally. He could be the anchor that allowed her to build trust with others while shielding herself from direct fire. In her post-episode interview, Eva explained that prioritizing Vince wasn't about romance or blind loyalty but about understanding the way influence works in the Big Brother house. Everyone was so focused on the big threats, the loud players, the ones winning competitions and making flashy moves. What they didn't realize was that Vince had this way of sliding into conversations and getting people to reveal things they probably shouldn't have. I saw that, and I knew if I kept him close, I could use that information without having to expose myself as the one asking questions. Indeed, Eva's ability to keep her hands clean while leveraging Vince's social strengths became a defining element of her game. While others fought openly or tried to claim credit for strategic blindsides, Eva often remained just one step removed, letting the chaos unfold around her but still having a pulse on where the votes would land. Fans on social media noticed how Eva frequently played mediator in house disputes, and many times it was Vince who had first tipped her off about which conflicts were about to explode. This allowed Eva to appear neutral and level-headed while still subtly guiding outcomes in her favor. Critics at first believed Eva's closeness with Vince might backfire, especially in a season where showmances and partnerships were often targeted. However, Eva insists that her bond with Vince was never perceived as threatening because of how she framed it. I made sure people saw Vince as someone I was protecting, not someone who was protecting me. That way, the narrative became that I was carrying him along, when in reality, he was just as valuable to me as I was to him. It was a calculated inversion of the usual power dynamic that helped her avoid becoming a target. Another key aspect Eva pointed out was the emotional stability Vince provided during some of the game's toughest weeks. Big Brother is notorious for its psychological toll, with contestants often breaking down from the isolation, constant surveillance, and paranoia of shifting alliances. Eva admitted that having Vince to confide in gave her an edge others lacked. When people were melting down, I had someone to talk to who I trusted. That meant I could keep a clearer head when it came time to strategize. I wasn't second-guessing myself as much, and that confidence made me stronger in competitions and in social situations. This emotional connection also translated into game power. When Eva won critical competitions, including a head of household that turned the tide against a dominant alliance, she credited Vince with helping her think through nominations in a way that would minimize blowback. He was always calm, always reminding me of the bigger picture. That's something a lot of players lose sight of when they're in the moment. They get so wrapped up in short-term revenge or proving a point. Vince helped me slow down and remember what moves would still make sense 3 weeks later. Of course, Big Brother is never without risk, and there were moments when Eva worried her prioritization of Vince might make her vulnerable. Several house guests tried to use her loyalty against her, attempting to paint her as overly dependent on Vince's insights. But in those instances, Eva cleverly flipped the narrative, highlighting her independent victories and framing Vince as her emotional support system, rather than her strategic equal. This subtle shift kept her in the good graces of players who otherwise might have tried to split them apart. As the season has progressed, Ava's gameplay has gained more recognition both inside and outside the house. Fans on Twitter and Reddit have gone from underestimating her to calling her one of the most underrated masterminds of the season. She's playing the long game while everyone else is playing checkers, one fan tweeted after a particularly pivotal eviction. Even jury members in their exit interviews have begun to acknowledge how Ava's quiet control of the game has made her a serious contender. Looking back, Ava admits that her decision to prioritize wins wasn't without doubt. At first, I wasn't sure if it was smart to put so much into one relationship. In this house, you never know when someone will turn on you. But Vince never did. And because I trusted him, I was able to focus more on building my overall game instead of constantly worrying about being stabbed in the back. That trust became the cornerstone of her season, and it is now being recognized as one of the boldest strategic choices in Big Brother 27. The larger lesson from Ava's gameplay is that not all power in Big Brother comes from winning competitions or making flashy moves. Sometimes it comes from recognizing hidden strengths in others and amplifying them in a way that benefits your own path. Ava's prioritization of Vince wasn't just about loyalty, it was about using his natural social awareness and calm demeanor as a shield and a guide. In doing so, she carved out a role for herself that allowed her to thrive in one of the most cutthroat seasons yet. As the finale approaches, questions remain about whether Ava's strategy will carry her all the way to the end. Will the jury reward her for her quiet yet calculated approach? Or will they view her reliance on Vince as a weakness rather than a strength? Ava herself is prepared for either outcome but remains proud of the way she played. I know I didn't have the loudest game, but I had a game I can stand by. I trusted my gut, I trusted Vince, and I made it further than anyone thought I would. That's a win to me no matter what. Big Brother 27 will go down as a season full of big personalities and bold moves, but Ava Pearl's story turns out because it challenges the traditional narrative of how success is achieved in the house. By prioritizing wins, she found a way to balance loyalty and strategy, heart and logic, emotional strength and game awareness. Whether she ultimately takes home the grand prize or not, Ava has already left her mark as a player who proved that sometimes the smartest move is not to outshine everyone else, but to shine alongside the right person. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.